Grab your scripts, people. We open in 20 minutes. Break a leg. I said break a leg.
They said break a leg, I took that personally. Fresh up out of surgery, perk to nurture me. Nurse make it work for me. Order sushi for it's too late. Saw every movie at Cordelucci. My baby bring me toothpaste, Marie like Sue Saint. Out the way with angels on me. I've been out for days, but who praying for me? Other side trying to communicate. Could you relate? Same community. It's a screw face, new plate, screws in my leg. Broke that shit in 2 places. Found new ways to inform new faces. No bracelet pics. Keep your sympathy, that shit make me sick. I can feel your spirit, lips locked or not, I can hear it. No appearance, need payment for the clearance. Loud when it's quiet. No tinnitus, my advice is never ask for shit. Crutch is the only thing I ever leaned on. He too masculine, testosterone. Boy, you not alone, grow up. It's family I hold up. Got heavy on one leg, but you know what? Found strength and vulnerability. My own thoughts was killing me. Now they spilling on this paper willingly. I don't feel inspired. All I feel is tired, wired different. I even tried to listen, but y'all vibrate so low. It's a low blow for me to stoop. Would I recoup, rebuild, regroup? Cheap thrills, free will. Trying not to rely on these pills. Bet he will not. Grim Reaper wanna feature. Honest with my people, but we never dig deeper. Protective of my ethos, I can't freeload. True seeker, paid his finder's fee. Protect my privacy, there's no cheat code. Overthinking, overwhelmed. All this shit I'm holding to myself can't spell help. Supposed to be doing well. This expensive, they could tell. Still selling old shit, new drip, old whip. All got the same smells. Success is subconscious. Brutal if I'm honest. You live within limits. Permission of forgiveness. You're now about to witness. I said you're now about to witness. Make it look easy, but it's anything but. One step could fuck everything up. Break a leg, all I could do is laugh. It always adds up when you do the math. Nice guys finish last. Break a leg, it's how you get in the cast. Play your part, if the pilot pick up, you might crash. Break a leg, everything is staged. Someone's getting paid, the script gon' tell you what to say. Break a leg.
Well, good luck this afternoon.
You're not supposed to say that.
Oh, well, break a leg, 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 break a leg.